Do you find the text on your Windows 11 screen too small to read? In under 2 minutes, I'll show you how to instantly make all system text bigger, no technical skills required. Hi everyone and welcome to the CNATT channel. Windows 11 offers a built-in text size settings to scale up just the text, or you can scale the entire interface, text, icons, apps via display scaling. The text only option is ideal if you want bigger fonts without enlarging everything else. Now let me show you how to do this step by step. Right-click the Start button and select Settings or press Windows logo key I on your keyboard. On the list on the left-hand side, select Accessibility. For quicker access, press Windows key U to open Accessibility directly. Now select Text Size. Use the slider under text size to increase or decrease the text. You'll see a live preview above. Choose the percentage you like, such as 125 or 150%, up to the maximum. Click Apply. Windows will refresh and your new text size will take effect system-wide. Show Windows settings menus, File Explorer, desktop icons, all with larger, more readable text after applying the change. If you want everything, not just text, to appear larger, including icons, menus, and apps, right-click an empty area on the desktop and select Display Settings. Under Scale and Layout, expand Scale menu and select the percentage you prefer. Some changes may require you to sign out and back in for certain apps to update, but most adjustments take effect immediately. You can also combine both options if needed. For example, slightly increase the text size and then apply a slight display scaling for better overall readability. Here's a quick comparison of different text size and scale combinations. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick Windows tips. Comment below if you need help with small text or icon sizes. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.